John's Auto Sales and Service is a used car dealer in Des Moines, Iowa for over 34 years. We carry a great selection of cars, trucks, SUVs, and crossovers that will meet any need you have for a vehicle.
Presenting the 2001 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include alloy rims, traction control, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find front airbags, side airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats, cruise control, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
John's Auto Sales and Service, where people send their friends to buy cars and trucks. Stop by at 5435 Northwest 1st Street in Des Moines, Iowa, or visit us online today.